Hello! Today we are going to look at how to make the best use of a space that is often overlooked. Under the staircase. How to turn an unused staircase space into a practical one. It's pure, untapped potential. Optimizing the area under your stairs can add value, boost your storage, and bring a whole new level of comfort and personality to your living space. Let's dive into 8 amazing ideas. First up, the classic closed storage closet. By adding simple sliding or hinged doors, you can create a seamless hidden space. Perfect for stashing away shoes, coats, the vacuum cleaner, and all those other household items you want out of sight. Need a workspace? Idea number 2 is a compact home office. All you need is a wall-mounted tabletop, a comfortable chair, and some good lighting. For the book lovers, our third idea is a custom bookshelf. Imagine shelves that perfectly follow the angle of your stairs, filled with your favorite books, photos, and maybe a few small plants. Next, let's create a mini bar or wine corner. With custom niches for bottles, a small wine fridge, and some warm LED lighting, you can turn this corner into an elegant spot for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening drink. If you prefer simplicity, idea number 5 is a minimalist decor corner. A large plant, a stylish floor lamp, and a single piece of art can instantly elevate the space. How about a functional entree? Our 6th idea is a built-in bench with storage. This gives you a place to sit and take off your shoes, with cubbies underneath to keep them organized. Got kids? Idea number 7 is a magical under-stair play space. Think soft cushions, a cozy rug, low shelves for their books and toys, and maybe some fun LED string lights. And finally, for our furry friends, an adorable pet corner. Create a cozy alcove with a comfy pet bed and some baskets for their toys and accessories. It gives them their own special spot in the house. Before you start, remember to measure everything carefully. Custom-built solutions often work best for these unique spaces. Don't forget to add good lighting to make the area feel warm and inviting, and choose colors that match the rest of your room for a cohesive look. So, there you have it. That once overlooked space under your stairs can become one of the most useful and attractive parts of your home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more home inspiration, and we'll see you in the next one.